together. We gon' walk through the fire together. Alright, yeah, hey. We gon' die together. We gon' walk through the fire together. Alright, yeah, yo. We gon' die together. We gon' walk through the fire together. Alright, yeah, hey. We gon' die together. We gon' walk through the fire together.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Burndown YouTube channel. Happy Sunday, fun day. I've been thrashing. I left the camera off because I figured, you know, we'll just get it to the point to where we can either start it or we can't. So I decided to work on the boom today. Ta-da! There you go. So, all of the junk and crud and fun stuff is in for the most part. Fluids, you name it. She pretty much should be ready to rock and roll. So I figured I would bring you all along for the maiden start, because I know if you've been following along, this is the exciting part. And I will tell you, I'm a bit nervous, and I'm not nervous at all like it won't run. I just want it to run and then not leak and just be decent, you know. And that's what I think everybody, when you put all this effort in, it's always awesome to fire it, but then it's like, do we have any issues or whatever? And the more I put this together and looked at it, there's a lot of stuff, man. It's funny because, you know, you stay away from it for a while and you forget like how much effort and work you put in. We got the new war brackets on here. I was looking at the exhaust. I was like, why does it come up? Because they used to have a steering box, and we've got the rack down there, so I can actually cut this and move it around, get it off the alternator. We don't have the fans wired up. And what else is there? Oh, I got this guy wired in. I had to extend that. But all in all, oh, we have the cooler loop too, the transmission cooler. So there's no cooling. So our goal is just to fire the thing up. I still have a few things to address before we can actually, you know, run it or anything. But without further ado, we're going to spin it over a little bit with the coil packs unplugged. So let's see if it'll spin over. That way we can build some oil pressure, because it was completely dry. We got fuel in it. We've got all that stuff. So let's see if she'll just turn over. So you know, sometimes, some days you win, some days you don't. So let me see why we are just clicking and not starting. So yeah, well, not doing that great so far. I have no idea. I just hit the button a bunch. I don't just know something's stuck or from sitting. I have another starter over there, so maybe at some point we'll try that. But so what we'll do is we'll just keep banging on the button until it actually goes, and we'll see if it'll fire off. I don't know what this thing's deal is, man. Oh, come on. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Go. Came up, my friend. Oil pressure. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Got a leak. All right, it started. This is not happy, so turn the car off. We will try again. That fan is annoying, huh? All right, well, it runs. We had oil pressure, so let me change that sensor out. So these are the cheap sensors, and the E85 obviously roached it, so looks like, yeah, look at that. Yeah, we don't want to leak fuel like that. Oh, that's funny. I saw that earlier. That was like residual water. All right, well, we run. Let me change that out, and then we'll try it again. I don't know what this starter issue is, man. I got an old, faithful, old trusty over there. But we'll just play with this, because I just want it to run, and I'm tired, man. So, let's change that sensor, and we'll try again real quick. Okay, we got a new sensor boy in. I'll have to order more of those. Yeah, I just blew right through this thing, so this guy is no good, so he can get filed away with all the Topo Chicos I've been cashing. Those are water, by the way, if you're wondering. Let me blow this out, and then we will try again. Go gadget starter, right? Take number 2. Oil pressure jumps up. Check the leaks. Baby. All right, that was as far as I wanted to get. Although we got to do one more thing. We'll let it cool down. We got to open that loud valve up, because with the mufflers on it, it sounds like such a groundmobile. It reminds me of Reed's car so bad, it's just all smooth. On a 1,000-mile road trip, that's awesome. When you're trying to fire it up, and trying to fire everybody up because you just started your car for the first time, it's got to sound like a damn race car, man. So give me a minute, let's let this thing cool off. We'll rig that bad boy open. Let's make some noise. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I will tell you what, I am very excited right now. All the hard work paid off. I am very tired. I'm gonna clean up. We're gonna call it a win. The only leak I pretty well had was the fuel pressure sensor. So I wouldn't know that that was bad until we put pressure to it. So that is cool. I'm calling this a win. I'm excited. That was a great weekend. We got a few bugs and things to work out. I'd like to change the rear gears. We got to put a trans cooler on here and then a new one on the Winnebago. I know what you're thinking. I beat you guys up with transmission cooler videos and fan videos. I should just change the channel to I do transmission coolers and fans. But we'll get it licked. Hopefully we can take this thing out and start putting some street miles on it. Maybe we'll sneak it over to KP's. Just depends on what his schedule looks like. I'm not too concerned with the tune-up in the thing because we're just going to go easy on it. We'll go to the track. Like I said, I'll have road miles on it. I'll kind of know where it's at. If he can sneak me in, we'll put it on the rollers. If not, I'm not terribly worried about it. But I really would like to get a baseline on the world's best LS cam. I added the world's to it. It's just the best camshaft by Sloppy Mechanics. But I'm gonna call it the world's best. Let's just embellish. Let's just keep it rolling. So I'm excited. I'm gonna clean up. You guys, thank you for following along. I hope you're excited as I am. I hope you guys get your cars running. And we gotta do some smoky burnouts, man. It has been too long. We gotta burn some 85 before I can't afford to anymore. I don't know what else to say. I'm out.